Hello and welcome to our channel Aircraft Technician Network, where we bring you the latest insights on aviation training and certifications. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for aspiring aircraft maintenance engineers in Nigeria, the NCAA Ratings and Limitations Codes. If you're looking to understand the specifics of how the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority classifies different areas of aircraft maintenance expertise, then this video is for you. So let's get started. The NCAA license for aircraft maintenance is divided into two major classifications: airframe and powerplant and avionics. Each of these classifications is further subdivided into 6 specific subcategories. Let's break them down. First, let's look at the airframe subcategory, which covers the structural elements of the aircraft. There are 3 codes under this category. Code 1, Unpressurized Aeroplane Airframe. This code is for technicians certified to work on aircraft that do not have a pressurized cabin. Code 2, Pressurized Airplane Airframe. This code applies to those qualified to handle aircraft with pressurized cabins, which require specialized maintenance knowledge. Code 3, Rotorcraft or Basic Helicopter Airframe. This code is specific to helicopter airframes, focusing on the unique requirements of rotorcraft maintenance. Next, we have the power plant subcategory, which is all about the aircraft engines. It includes 2 specific codes. Code 4, Piston Engine. This is for aircraft maintenance engineers who work on aircraft powered by piston engines. Code 5, Gas Turbine. This code covers the maintenance of aircraft with gas turbine engines, including both jet and turboprop engines. Moving on to aircraft electrical systems under the avionics category, which involves the electrical power generation and distribution systems within the aircraft. There are 3 codes here. Code 6, for aircraft where the main power output is direct current, often referred to as 9.1. This is for aircraft in which the main generation system output is direct current, including alternators having an individual power rating not exceeding 1.5 kVA may be fitted only. Code 7. This code covers aircraft where the main output is direct current with frequency-wild alternators, known as frequency-wild. This is for aircraft in which the main generation system output is direct current, including frequency-wild alternators having an individual power rating not exceeding 1.5 kVA for auxiliary services. And finally, Code 8 involves aircraft with constant frequency alternating current systems, known as 9.2. This is for aircraft in which the main generation system output is constant frequency, alternating current from alternators driven by constant speed drive units, or variable speed constant frequency generation converter systems, and direct current power is supplied from transformer rectifier units. Next, we have the aircraft instrument systems subcategory, which deals with the various instruments used to operate the aircraft safely. The codes include Code 9, General Aircraft Instruments, excluding those in aircraft with a flight director system. This is for general aircraft instrument systems, but excluding instruments installed on any aircraft which has installed a flight director system. Code 10, Flight Director Systems that use air-driven gyroscopes, such as Smith's flight system. This is for flight direct systems employing air-driven gyroscopes, altitude, including Smith's flight system and Sperry 0, Reader ZL1, ZL2, Flight Director System. Code 11, Flight Director Systems with electrically driven gyroscopes, commonly referred to as 8.1. Code 12, Direct Reading Compasses on Aircraft. Code 13, Direct and Remote Compasses on Aircraft. Moving to the automatic flight control systems, this subcategory focuses on the systems that assist pilots in flying the aircraft automatically. The codes are as follows. Code 14, Non-Radio Coupled Automatic Pilots for Airplanes. Code 15, Radio-Coupled Automatic Pilots excluding Instrument Landing System ILS coupled autopilots. Radio-Coupled Automatic Pilots, Aeroplane, excluding Instrument Landing System ILS coupled Localizer and Glide Scope, Automatic Pilots. Code 16, Instrument Landing System ILS, coupled autopilots for airplanes. This is for Instrument Landing System ILS coupled Localizer and Glide Scope, Automatic Pilots, Airplane. Code 17, Non-Radio Coupled Automatic Pilots for Rotorcraft. Code 18, Radio Coupled Automatic Pilots for Rotorcraft. Lastly, we have the Aircraft Radio and Radio Navigation System subcategory, which are critical for communication and navigation. There are 2 codes in this subcategory. Code 19, This covers airborne communication systems and airborne navigation systems. Code 20, dedicated to airborne radar systems. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the NCAA AME license ratings and limitations codes in Nigeria. These codes are essential for understanding the scope of work permitted for aircraft maintenance engineers and ensuring that the safety standards are upheld across the aviation industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more aviation-related content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.